Jay here, 5-Star Marine. Probably know that because you're on the 5-Star Marine channel. Well, I hope you are anyway. And have you liked and subscribed and done all that sort of stuff that they always ask you to do? I hope so. Anyway, now listen. When you book a tour with 5-Star Marine, you get one of our boats, which is like the ones behind me. Now, we do loads of boat walkthroughs to show you what the boat's like, to show you that it's got a back deck that protects you from the engine. It's got 2 swim-up ladders. It's got an esky, which is an ice box, if you don't know what an esky is. It's got toilets. It's got luxury fluffy cushions. Well, not fluffy cushions, but it's got padded seats, of course. And it also has an outside area, which you can get burnt if you don't wear sun cream and a hat. But all our boats are the same. So if I do a walkthrough on, let's say, Lucus 6, which is the one behind me right now, it doesn't matter if you don't get Lucus 6. If you've got Lucus 1, Lucus 2, Lucus for 8, Lucas 9, it doesn't matter, they're all the same. Pretty much the same anyway. You don't believe me? I'm going to show you in this video, okay? So this is our new boat walkthrough, doing a boat walkthrough on many different boats. Got it? Good. Comment below, and that helps us as well. All right? Thanks. Right, let's go get on boats. Good. This is Lucus 6. This is the back deck. That's a back deck which protects you from the engines. And what engines? Well, Yamaha engines. 250 horses in each one. That's a lot of horses, and 250 plus 250 is 2 and 2 is 4 plus 5 is 500 horses, baby! In there, 500 of Yamaha horses. That's right. That looks wrong, doesn't it? Not sure what I'm doing there. And they all have this huge space, and it's undercover. So if there are little drops of sunshine falling from the sky, you'll stay dry, unless you're sat out there. But it's a long walk out there. Look. Ah, stop, collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. That's right, icebox with water and soft drinks. And every boat has one. Good, eh? All the boats have life jackets as well. See, look, life jackets. And it's the same on the other boats. So, this is the toilet. And, lucky for you, it's the same toilet on the other boats. And this is Lucas 1 toilet. Yay! See? This is Lucas 3. See? Lucas 5. Toilet with music. Woo-hoo! I just say, the toilet doesn't have music, the boat has music. Just to point that out, that this toilet doesn't specifically only have music, the whole boat has music. Got it? Good, thanks. Told you. There you go. All our boats have toilets. So it doesn't matter what number you're on, they've all got a toilet. Woo-hoo! Here I am, on the outside. Hello! All our boats have a little outside cushion area as well, so you can sit outside and enjoy this beautiful environment. Just make sure you wear sun cream. It's quite hot. And this is Lucas 3's outside area. Nice, isn't it? Yay! This is Lucas 1's outside area. Wear sun cream. This is Lucas 5 outside area. Still wear sun cream and maybe a hat. This is Lucas 3 outside area. Again, sun cream, wear a hat. And this one is Lucas 3, and as you can see, it's got a back deck, it's got 2 swim ladders, and it's got 2 Yamaha 4-stroke engines, 250 horses each, baby! That's right. And as you can see inside, look, it's got inside cupboard area, which is nice. It has the ice box as they all do. It's got a toilet as they all do, and a beautiful outdoor area. Very similar to this boat. And this is Lucas 1. Guess what? Same back deck, 2 swim-up ladders, 2 Yamaha 4-stroke, 250 horsepower engines, baby, plus beautiful covered area. And as we walk through, because this one's about to go out today as well, guess what? Oh, that's right, Esky Icebox. Guess what? That's where the driver sits. Guess what? That's where the toilet is. And guess what? That's right, outside area. Similar to that, isn't it, eh? Woohoo! And this one is Lucas 5. Same back deck, same 2 swim ladders, same Yamaha 4-stroke 250 horsepower engines. That's 500 horses, baby. And some noodles on this one, but this one's about to go out. And it's got the music on, and we've got some snorkeling equipment. We've got our inside covered area. We walk down here. Guess what that is? That's right, that's a toilet. And then we go to our outside area, very similar to the other boats. Woo-woo! So, here's the thing. I do these walkthrough videos. I think last year I did one on Lucas 6, and everyone only wanted to book Lucas 6. All our boats are the same. There might be some small, subtle differences, but generally they're all the same. They all have a back deck which protects you from the engine. They all have 2 swim-up platforms. They all have 2 Yamaha 4-stroke 250 horses engines. That's 500 horses. That's a lot. They all have an indoor covered area. They all have ice boxes, or eskies as I call them. They all have toilets. They all have an area where the captain can drive the thing. And they all have this outside area where you can get burnt by the sun if you don't wear sun cream. So, when you book a 5-star tour, it doesn't matter what boat you're on. They're all the same, pretty much. And they're all looked after like they're our own family. Yes? Good. Right, book a boat now, quickly, before it's too late, because they're going to get booked out soon. It's true, that. Right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, then comment below. Cheers. Thanks.